Hello friends in Law Fanatics, myself Lakshay, a legal intern from LEXIS and Company. Today I am going to discuss about temporary injunction and permanent injunction. So let's start it. A temporary injunction and a permanent injunction are legal remedies that can be sought in a civil lawsuit to prohibit certain actions or require certain specific behavior from a party. Temporary injunction. A temporary injunction, also known as preliminary injunction or intern injunction, is a court order issued during the pendency of a lawsuit. It is designed to maintain the status quo and prevent irreparable harm until a final decision can be reached. Temporary injunctions are typically sought when there is an urgent need for immediate relief and when waiting for the final judgment would cause irreparable harm or injustice. To obtain a temporary injunction, the party seeking it must demonstrate the following: likelihood or success on the merits. The applicant must present a prima facie case showing that they are likely to succeed on underlying merits of the case. Irreparable harm, balance of the equities. The court may also consider the public interest in granting or denying the temporary injunction. A permanent injunction. It is also known as final injunction, is a court order issued at the end of a lawsuit or as a final judgment. Unlike a temporary injunction, a permanent injunction is granted after a full hearing on the merits of the case, including evidence and legal arguments from both the parties. The success on merits. The applicant must prove that they have a valid legal claim and are entitled to the relief sought. The applicant must demonstrate that they will suffer irreparable harm if the injunction is not granted. The court will weigh the potential harm to both the parties and determine if the balance of the equities have favors granting the injunction. A permanent injunction is generally issued for an indefinite period, whereas a temporary injunction may be issued for a definite period or a limited period of time. It is enforced until it is modified or dissolved by a subsequent court order in case of permanent injunction. So guys, I guess you are clear with the concept of temporary injunction and permanent injunction. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section.